A very good morning, students. Welcome to Aman Sodhi School of Mathematics. In today's video, we are going to discuss exercise 8.2, chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. In the previous video, I had explained you all about the different t ratios and we had formed a consolidated table also. Making use of this table, how to implement the values or how to use these values, all these kind of questions will be covered in exercise 8.2. So please don't watch the video till the end. So here, as you can see in the table, different angles are given and the different t ratios or the values of different t ratios concerned with that are also given. So all these values we are going to use in today's exercise. So let's start with the questions. In question number 1, for solving some of the parts, let's solve question number 1, second part. You are supposed to evaluate the following. Evaluating the following means finding the value. So 2 tan square 45. Now as I told you, if you know the value of one t ratio, you can find the value of all other t ratios. So in case you get questions of this kind, you either need to memorize the table, which we have already done, or you can make a separate table in the rough and then you can find out the values and put those values. So tan square 45 means the value of tan 45 and the square of that. If you remember, the value of tan 45 is 1. So we put 1 here and we take the square of that, plus cos square 30. Value of cos 30 and value of sin 60 is same, which is root 3 upon 2. And since it is cos square 30, so we take square of this value. Minus sin square 60 means sin 60, that is root 3 by 2, and we take square of this value. So when you solve this, 2 into 1 square will give you 2. Root 3 square will give you the value as 3, and upon 2 square will give you the value 4, minus root 3 square means 3 upon 4. So clearly 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 will become 0. So the answer for this will be equal to 2. Moving on to fourth part now. Let's put the value for sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2 plus tan 45, which is 1, minus cosecant 60. Now cosecant 60 is the opposite of sin 60. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That means cosecant 60 will be equal to 2 upon root 3. Similarly, for secant 30, which is opposite of cos 30. For cos 30, the value is root 3 by 2. So for secant 30, the value will be equal to 2 upon root 3. Cos 60, which is 1 upon 2. And cot 45, which is 1. So let's take the LCM in the numerator first. The LCM will be 2 root 3. So in the numerator you will get the values 1 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 2s are 4, whole divided by, here again if you take the LCM it will be 2 root 3 and the values will be 2 2s are 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now here if you see the terms clearly, 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 can be cancelled and the terms will become, now 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 will become 3 root 3 minus 4, whole divided by, when you solve the denominator part, 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 will become 3 root 3 and along with that you have plus 4 in this case. Now we have done the process of rationalizing the denominator. So let's rationalize the denominator in this case. Now if you remember, rationalizing the denominator means 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 plus 4 multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 4 upon 3 root 3 minus 4, or this can be written as 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square upon, you'll get a plus b, a minus b, so you can apply the identity a square minus b square. Or this can be written, now here we are going to apply the formula or the identity a minus b whole square, which will give us 3 root 3 whole square, that is a square, plus b square minus 2ab. 2ab in this case means this can be written as 2, 3 root 3, that is a, and multiplied by b, that is 4, whole divided by, now 3 root 3 square means 3 square will be 9 and root 3 square will be 3. So 9 multiplied by 3 minus 16. So when you solve all these values in the numerator, you are going to get the square of this, that is 9 multiplied by 3, 27, plus 16 minus 2 3s are 6 and 6 4s are 24 root 3 whole divided by 27 minus 16. So eventually when you solve these two, 27 plus 16, these two terms are the like terms here, so we can add these two and we'll get 43 minus 24 root 3 whole divided by, when you subtract the denominator terms, you'll get the answer as 11. So this is the way you are going to write the answer. Now moving on to fifth part, let's put the values again. Cos 60 in this case means 1 by 2 whole square. Secant 30 is the opposite of cos 30. So reciprocal of cos 30 means 2 by root 3 in this case, and since it is square also, so let's take the square for this. Tan 45 means 1 and the square of that we have to take. Whole divided by sin square 30 means 1 by 2 whole square, and cos square 30 means root 3 upon 2 whole square. So let's find out the values for each of these. When we take square of 1 by 2, you'll get the answer as 1 by 4. So this can be written as 5 upon 4. Plus when you take the square of these, 2 square will become 4. So 4 4s are 16 upon root 3 square will become 3 minus 1 whole divided by, now when you take the reciprocal or when you take the square here also, you'll get the terms as 1 by 4 plus root 3 square in this case means 3 upon 4. So these are the terms that you are going to get. Or in the next step it can be written as, let's take the LCM for 4 and 3, which is 12. So 4 3s are 12 means 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 means 4 into 16, that is 64 minus 12 whole divided by, when you add 1 by 4 and 3 by 4, since both of them have the same denominator, so it will become 1 plus 3 by 4, that is 4 by 4, which can be cancelled and you'll get 1 in the denominator. So in this case, let us solve these. 64 plus 3 whole divided by 12 upon 1. So this can be written as 67 upon 12. So this will be your answer. Now moving on to question number 2. Here are some choices which are given to you. We are going to solve the question and then eventually you can find out which of the choice is correct. So first let's find the value of 2 tan square 30. Tan 30, the value is given as sin 30 upon cos 30. Now sin 30, if you remember, was 1 by 2 and cos 30 was root 3 by 2. So eventually this gives you the value of tan 30 as 1 by root 3. So that value when you put here, you will get 1 upon root 3 and we take the square of this whole divided by 1 plus tan square 30, that means 1 plus 1 upon root 3 whole square. So this can be written as, when you take square of this, you will get 2 multiplied by 1 by 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3, or this can be written as 2 by 3 upon, now when you take the LCM will be 3 in this case, so you will get the answer 3 plus 1, or this can be written as 2 by 3 whole divided by 4 by 3. Now clearly 3 and 3 can be cancelled, so this can be written as 2 by 4, which on cancelling will give you the value as 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 is also the value for sine 30 degree. So from the given choices, you can take the correct choice. Similarly, moving on to the next question, 1 minus tan square 45 means 1 minus 1 whole square, and 1 plus tan square 45 means 1 plus 1 whole square. So this can be written as 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, or this can be written as 0 by 2. 0 divided by anything is 0. So this value is also equal to sine 0, or this value is also equal to cos 90. So whatever values or whatever options are given to you in the question, please take the right option. Then moving on to the next one now, 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 is given. 2 tan 30 means 2 multiplied by tan 30, which is 1 by root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan square 30 means 1 upon root 3 whole square. So this can be written as 2 upon root 3 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 3, or this can be written as 2 upon root 3 whole divided by, now when we take the LCM, 3 will be the LCM, so this will become 3 minus 1, or it can be written as 2 by root 3 whole divided by 2 upon 3. Now clearly the numerators are same, so these can be cancelled, and we can write the denominator as 1 by root 3 multiplied by 3 upon 1. We take the reciprocal of that. Now 3 upon 1 can be written as 1 by root 3 multiplied by root 3 into root 3 upon 1. Why root 3 into root 3? Because 3 can be written as the product of root 3 multiplied by root 3. The reason for writing this is 1 root 3 can be cancelled with this. So the answer will be equal to square root 3, which is equal to tan 60 degree. So out of the given options, you can again take the correct option. Then moving on to question number 3, you are given the value of tan a plus b as root 3. Now if you remember the table carefully, root 3 means the value of tan 60 degree. So if you compare these two, that means the value of a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Similarly, you are given the value of tan a minus b also as 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is the value for tan 30 degree. So that means the value of a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. So when we solve a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30 degree, we have already done the solution part for these, how to solve the linear equations, simultaneous linear equations. You can cancel plus b and minus b. A plus a will become 2a and 60 plus 30 will become 90 degree, or a will be equal to 90 degree divided by 2. That means the value of a will be 45 degrees. Similarly, when you have to find the value of b, you will put the value of a in the given equation. So 45 plus b is equal to 60 degree, or the value of b will be equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree, or the value of b will be equal to 15 degrees. So this gives you the value of angle A also and angle B also. I hope all the questions are clear to you. In case you find any doubt, you can drop a message in the comment box, and you can also subscribe to my channel. Please drop a WhatsApp message to know more about online maths tutoring classes for class 10 and keep watching my videos. Thank you.